Hi everyone, welcome to today's core vocabulary in action video. Our core vocabulary word that we're targeting today is tell. Tell is a verb, so it's most likely going to be a green word on your AAC system. And tell means to communicate information, facts, or news to someone by either speaking the words or writing the words. Now let's find the word tell on some AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic, the TouchChat app from Satillo, tell.
Tell.
On LAMP Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, tell.
Tell.
On Snap Core First, the 80 grid from Toby Dynabox, tell.
Tell.
Now let's use our word tell for different functions of communication. I could relay past and future events by saying, I tell my mommy that I love her. I could use it to protest and say, don't tell them, don't. I could use my word tell for sharing and showing. I could say, I want to tell you about Bear and his friends. We could use our word tell when we want to express our feelings. We could say, tell me what's wrong. I could use my word tell when making a request. Can I tell the weather today? I could use my word tell to direct an action or give a command. I could say, tell me a story. I could use my word tell to ask a question. I could say or ask, can you tell me again? Thank you so much for watching this video today and learning about the word tell. I hope that you have fun using it, and if you like these videos, please subscribe below, turn on the bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Make sure to like the video and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks.